Hello everyone, today's recipe, orange chicken wings. Hello everyone, welcome to another recipe video of Carinderia.
Let's begin. Half a kilo of chicken wings, seasoned with a tablespoon of orange zest, seasonings mixture, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and 5 spice. Rub it into the chicken wings properly, then set aside. Marinate at least an hour. For the sauce, heat pan. Add in a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of butter. Melt it. Then saute minced garlic. And minced ginger until brown. After that, add in a cup of fresh orange juice with pulp. Then a cup of chicken broth. Season with salt, white pepper. Give it a stir and let it boil. When it's boiling, add in a tablespoon of honey, or you can use brown sugar or any sweetener you like. And also add in a lemon zest. Let it boil again. Then when it's boiling, add in a slurry, a cornstarch dissolved in water. Let it simmer until the sauce is thickened. Then when the sauce is thick enough like this, you can add in a tablespoon of butter again. Melt, then it's good. Set it aside. Now let's cook the chicken wings. First you have to dredge those pieces of wings into a flour. Then prepare a pan. Heat oil enough for deep frying. Deep fry those wings you coated with flour. until golden brown. Then heat up the sauce you made earlier and put in the fried wings. Coat it with the sauce properly. Then plate it to thin slices of cabbage. Make it as a beddings. Topped with julien onion leeks. A julien orange zest. Sprinkle with roasted white sesame seeds. Then it's done. Voila! Carandaria's orange chicken wings.
Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell button to notify you when I have a new video upload.